This is just, automotive detailer that I poured into a bottle. That's all I have right now. I'm trying to clean this thing because it's filthy. Rub some rubbing alcohol on the brake rotors here to kind of clean them off a little bit. Dirty. Watch your fingers when you're doing this. It's a 19 millimeter. It's the exact same on the other side, except for it doesn't have a derailleur guard. I like to loosen both sides. Take the derailleur guard off, and the other parts come off at the same time. It's a little bit more difficult on the front, but it's not rocket science. So this one is going to be is it a 5 or a 4? It's a 4 millimeter T-handle. There's a little fastener in here. With a washer. Take that off. Put that aside, don't lose it. And here, you're gonna get this little, it prevents it from coming off. Little washer thing there. You get that side off, you get the other side off. You unclip the motor for the wiring for the motor. Unclip that first. You don't have to use cable ties necessarily, you could just use duct tape or electrical tape or something. And just make sure this wire is on the frame when you put it back together to prevent this from getting damaged, because you don't want that. There's 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's get that out. And this is loose. Make sure you remove the hardware from this side as well. Okay, so now the wheel is loose. Make sure to disconnect the motor carefully. Okay, it disconnects like that. Then once the motor's disconnected, chain is on the smallest sprocket. Yeah. So this guy, you want to twist forward like this. It should just come right out. Like that. Easy. It's rotational, so the front of the bike's going to be that way to the left if it's facing left. Just check the rim tape, make sure it's not damaged. There's nothing wrong with this tube, but I'm just going to reuse it. Here's the old tire versus the new tire. I have no idea why this is so easy. It's just gonna go right on. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, some of these go on easy, others, I don't know. Maybe I'm just getting better at putting on tires. I've done this like 4 or 5 times already. I don't know. There it is. If your valve core's loose, guess what? Air's gonna leak out. Ask me how I know. There it is. Right in. Wonderful. Steel wool shines everything back up again. Yeah, this is a pain in the butt to get off. Or to put the tire back on. Nope. Nope. A little bit of salty water and some leverage. Okay, there it goes. Okay. See, man, I see these people on YouTube getting these tires on just with their hands. It's like, how the hell do they do that? They do it within 60 seconds. Like, how do you do that? All right, it's on now. Hard as a rock. Good.